Data analytics is the process of examining data to discover patterns, understand situations, and make better decisions. Every digital activity creates data. When you make a call, send a message, visit a website, make a payment, or use an app, data is generated. Data analytics helps turn that raw information into meaning. Data comes in many forms. It can be numbers, text, dates, locations, or records of actions. On its own, raw data has little value. The value appears when data is organized, cleaned, and interpreted. This is why data analytics is not about numbers alone. It is about thinking clearly and asking the right questions. The first step in data analytics is data collection. Data is collected from sources such as forms, systems, websites, apps, or transactions. Once collected, the next step is data cleaning. Cleaning removes errors, duplicates, and inconsistencies. Clean data is essential because incorrect data leads to incorrect conclusions. After cleaning, data is organized and analyzed. Analysts look for patterns, trends, and relationships. For example, they may identify growth over time, compare categories, or observe behavior changes. These patterns help explain what is happening and why it is happening. Visualization is a key part of data analytics. Charts, graphs, and tables make complex information easier to understand. Visuals help people quickly see trends, differences, and outliers. Good visualization turns data into insight that non-technical people can understand. Data analytics supports decision-making. Businesses use data to improve products, reduce costs, and understand customers. Schools use data to track performance. Governments use data to plan services. Individuals use data to track spending, habits, and progress. Data replaces guesswork with evidence. Tools are used to perform data analysis, but tools are not the most important part. Understanding concepts matters more than software. Spreadsheets, dashboards, and analytics platforms all follow the same basic principles: collect, clean, analyze, and interpret data. Data analytics also requires responsibility. Data can be sensitive. Personal information must be protected and used ethically. Analysts must respect privacy and avoid misleading interpretations. Numbers should inform decisions, not manipulate people. This course does not aim to turn you into a data scientist. It builds a foundation. You learn how data is handled, how insights are formed, and how analytics supports better thinking. Data analytics is a skill for the modern world. This course helps you understand how to read data, question it, and use it wisely.